What is Thessaloniki in a different way? The idea came to light out of the need to organize a very different party for the 20th birthday of the oldest free press in Greece. Parallaxy has been published since 1989. Having already contributed a lot to the city's public affairs with specialized articles written by specialists for the last 20 years, we decided to move to a series of actions which will point out and propose an alternative for our city. A city with great history and tradition, but with huge problems as well. This is why we started the preparations for 3 days of actions and acts with cultural, architectural and environmental character, which transformed a large part of the city's urban area. The urban experiment, which is called Thessaloniki in a different way, was materialized last June, inspired by the World Environment Day, and was repeated with different aims in September, inspired this time by the Car-Free Day. It came to life due to the efforts of a creative team of people from different professional sectors, and it was materialized thanks to the help of hundreds of volunteers. The actions have continued through the winter in places where people with special needs live, with architectural and creative projects and ideas for the development of the city, and are being prepared for the next spring many things. But most of all, the Thessaloniki in a Different Way project is the largest cooperations of creative teams, institutions, private initiatives and volunteers that had taken place in Thessaloniki ever. From the Thermaikos Sea and the re-establishment of the city's association with the sea, to recycling and the architectural projects of the future, a barrage of actions by the most creative minds of the city was unraveled. In total, 1,000 different people and 120 local authorities and groups cooperated for this idea, while 60,000 people attended the actions. The Thessaloniki in a Different Way acts generated questions about the city's future and triggered the debate about what should be done from now on in order for Thessaloniki to raise the quality of life index.
Δεν πάει άλλο!
Τι προτείνετε, η Θεσσαλονίκη αλλιώς αυτό είναι?
Το θέμα είναι ότι εδώ ενοχλεί.
Μ' αρέσει η νέα γενιά πολύ στη Θεσσαλονίκη.
Αυτό που δεν μου αρέσει καθόλου είναι ότι δεν βλέπω καθόλου συχνά τη χαρά ζωγραφισμένη στα πρόσωπα των ανθρώπων.
Με τα μάτια της ψυχής, η μαγεία της παραλίας σου φαίνεται, είτε μπορείς να δεις με τα μάτια, είτε δεν μπορείς να δεις.
Μέλλον δεν υπάρχει.
Το μέλλον πρέπει να το αλλάξουμε όλοι μαζί. Η Θεσσαλονίκη μου αρέσει αλλιώς.
Αυτό που αλλάξαμε για ένα Σαββατοκύριακο, θα το αλλάξουμε για πάντα.
Τελείωσε.